Decimal numbers are used to write values which lie between two whole numbers. On screen you can see the number 3.5. This number is exactly halfway between number 3 and the number 4. In this example, the decimal is not only expressed in tenths, but in tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So just to recap, when we see a decimal number, the numbers to the left of the decimal point are whole numbers, and the numbers to the right of the decimal point are parts of whole numbers. When adding decimal numbers, they are treated in pretty much the same way as adding whole numbers. You must make sure each value is in the correct column. Sometimes you may be asked to order decimals, and this requires you to place the decimals in a particular order of size. And this order could be from the lowest number to the highest number, or from the highest number to the lowest number. In this example, the decimals have been placed in ascending order, which means from the lowest number to the highest number. You can see that this two pair of digits is the same, and the difference between the numbers starts with the hundredths. This number represents 4 hundredths, and this number represents 8 hundredths. So this number is the lower of the two, and is therefore placed above the other number. In this example, we have been asked to convert the decimal 0.28 into a percentage. To convert a decimal into a percentage, we simply multiply the decimal by 100. And this gives us a value of 28%. In this example, we have been asked to convert the fraction 3/5 into a decimal. To convert any fraction into a decimal, you divide the denominator into the numerator to give us our final decimal answer of 0.6. In this third example, we have been asked to convert the decimal 0.2 into a fraction. Remember, the first number in a decimal has a place value of tenths, so the 0.2 here represents 2 tenths. So the decimal 0.2 converted into a fraction is 2 tenths. And remember, where you have a fraction, always try and reduce that fraction to its lowest possible terms. So the lowest possible terms of 2 tenths is 1/5. If we look at some smaller decimals converted into fractions, we can see the decimal with one number is tenths. A decimal with two numbers can be expressed as a fraction of hundredths. And finally, a decimal with three numbers can be expressed as thousandths.